Chicago!
What up? Out here. I need coffee.
And food.
I need coffee and a donut.
I need to remember that the little girl that danced around her room dodging fire is the fire now. Her Gryffindor spirit has only grown stronger, and the way she views the world is powerful and strong, and maybe not always right, but always well-intentioned, and above all, good. There's a fight in her, in me, that I can give back to the world, and I intend to. We are magic!
So our Chicago show was really fun. We got in the car and we've been driving for a little bit. We are headed to one of our favorite places ever, and I cannot wait. We are at my favorite restaurant in the United States, my favorite place to go on tour, the Firefly Grill. I have not been here in many years and I'm very excited to be back. I cannot wait. I'm so glad we made this part of our trip because I've been missing this place so much. What are you thinking aside from 2 sides of corn?
I think I might do that. Yeah, that one's freaking bright.
They're so pretty.
Look at this one with the dots. Oh my god, there's more coming. Look at that.
Oh, awesome, thank you. I'm so excited.
Oh my god, they're crispy.
Moment of truth. Oh.
You really got mad at those shoes?